If you want the easiest way to remove a background in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a background in Photopea quickly and cleanly using the built-in Magic Cut tool. This is one of the best methods for beginners because Photopea does most of the work for you, and you can fine-tune the result if needed. So whether you're editing product photos, profile pictures, thumbnails, or social media graphics, this simple method can save you a lot of time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Photopea in your browser and load the image you want to edit. You can do this by dragging and dropping your image into the workspace or by going to File and choosing Open. Once your image is loaded, take a look at the top menu bar. This is where the main tools are, and the feature we need is called Magic Cut. Click on Select, then choose Magic Cut from the drop-down menu. As soon as you open it, Photopea will launch a special workspace that is designed to separate your subject from the background automatically. At first, you'll usually see the subject marked in green and the background marked in red. Green means keep this area, and red means remove it. Photopea uses its AI to guess what should stay in the image, and in many cases, it does a really good job right away. But if the selection is not perfect, don't worry because you can refine it manually. At the top of the Magic Cut window, you'll see brush tools that let you paint over the image. If part of your subject got marked as background, switch to the green brush and paint over the area you want to keep. If there are still pieces of the background left on your subject, use the red brush to mark those areas for removal. The key here is to make small, careful adjustments instead of painting too much at once. That helps Photopea understand exactly what you want. On the right side of the workspace, you'll also see a live preview of the cutout. This preview is very useful because it shows you how the final image will look before you apply the changes. Keep checking that preview as you adjust the green and red areas. If your image has hair, fur, or other detailed edges, take a little extra time to clean up the outline so the final result looks more natural. Once you're happy with the selection and the preview looks clean, go to the top right corner and click the green OK button. Photopea will then apply the cutout, and your background will become transparent. That transparency is what makes the image easy to place on different backgrounds, add to thumbnails, or export as a PNG. If needed, you can now continue editing the image, add a new background, or just save it as a transparent file. To save it properly, export it as a PNG, so the transparent background is preserved. That is the easiest way to remove a background in Photopea using Magic Cut. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and incredibly useful when you want clean cutouts without complicated editing. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.